on this side, keep it coming straight back.
As you can see, the body is rusted, the engine is ruined, the electrical system is shot. Ow! But that's okay, we're gonna bring this car back to life. To begin this entire process, we're gonna remove all the major components, starting with the wheels and body panels, then the engine.
Look at the state of this chassis rail. It's completely shot.
Yeah, and the suspension arm is barely holding on.
This engine is in really rough shape. Too far gone for a quick fix. To keep the work efficient, we're gonna send it to a Ford engine specialist in Michigan.
Next, we're going to strip out the rest of the interior, and then we'll start cleaning this whole car using a high-pressure water jet pump.
We're entering the car wash stage. Like you already know, this car fell into the water and it's extremely dirty, so let's get straight to it and wash this car.
You got me hypnotized, you make me realize that. Just tell me, baby, who's that by your side? 'Cause every day and night, I'm about to lose my mind. We're like birds of a feather by the side. You know I kiss but never tell her. I just wanna take a chance. So when you move it, moving on the dance floor. You know I wish you could well, and I'ma take you to the moon. 'Cause I get
All right, listen up. We're starting the prep work on the 6 car. Pay close attention to these seams, especially around the wheel wells. Let's get those sanders ready.
The next steps are body filler work, followed by an epoxy primer coat for proper sealing, and then the car moves to the paint stage.
Girl, you know I love you, love you, love you. I love you, love you, love you. I won't put I wanna buy you, buy you, buy you. 'Cause you're loyal, loyal, loyal. Girl, you know I love you, love you, love you. I love you, love you, love you. I won't put I wanna buy you, buy you, buy you. Girl, you know that I love you, love you, love you. If she ain't got no loyalty, she
We're gonna paint this car to match the original colors so it stays authentic.
Good, let's get the 6 on before it sets. The paintwork is now finished and it's time to reinstall all the parts that were removed yesterday.
The engine restored has just arrived from Michigan. Perfect timing, because it means the team can begin the installation immediately. Finally, our work is complete. None of this would have been possible without your support, so it is with pride that I present this Ford GT40 to all of you. Enjoy.